Hello viewers, okay, today's video is mainly on iPhone 11. We're doing a screen replacement for it, just nice and simple. But yeah, just a nice easy video for you just to show you how to replace the screen on one of these. So once you've actually lifted the screen, you want to remove the 6 screws that hold the LCD and touch and earpiece speaker flex, as well as the 3 screws that hold the shield down for the battery connector. Once you've removed all that, disconnect the battery, disconnect the screen, and then we should be able to start removing parts on the screen. Just going to quickly get rid of the adhesive around the edge of the screen first, just to sort of get that job out of the way. And once that's out of the way, just going to remove the 3 screws that hold the earpiece speaker in. Gently remove the earpiece speaker because that is tied in with the Face ID module, so we don't want to do any damage to that. It's also proximity sensor as well as front microphone as well, so yeah, we'll be ever so gentle with that. And we'll grab our new screen, fit our earpiece speaker to it, and then we'll test the screen. And yeah, we can see it's dead at the moment, so we're just going to wait for it to come back on, and when it does, we'll be able to test it. And yeah, right, it's coming on now, so we'll just wait for the screen to come on. When it's on, we'll go into the emergency call settings, and we'll just tap as many buttons as we can, just to sort of see if as many areas of the touch is working as possible. And yeah, that seems to all check out fine, so just gonna take that back apart, finish all the other minor jobs, and then put it all back together. Alright, now the Face ID module is back on the phone, on the screen, sorry. We're just gonna get some primer, and we're gonna get the waterproof or water resistant sealant. Put that on, and then we'll attach the screen. Yeah, once that's down, just plug back in everything else, LCD connector, touch connector, the battery, one final test just to make sure it's all good, and then we'll put all the screws in it, button it back up, and jobs are good. And just remember, if you like this kind of content, then please do give us a subscribe. We are looking to build our fan base a bit more. Very happy with the 63 subscribers so far, but I mean, more is very much appreciated, so please do hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's all good. So that's the iPhone 11 screen replacement completed. Thank you very much. Have a great day.